Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to see how to configure CB Dynamics 365 Seamless Attachment Extractor, the product that helps you keep your CRM attachments stored in either SharePoint or in Azure Storage to keep your documents where they belong and save your money spent on CRM storage. Let's get a free trial. Go to our website, select CB Dynamics 365 Seamless Attachment Extractor from the Products menu, click Pricing, Free Trial, Try Free. Log in if you have an account with us, or fill your info if it's your first time. Click Next step, place your order now. You will get an email with your order details, account details in our shop, and be sure to change your password, and a service activation email from our sales portal. Click the Complete Your Registration button. Log in if you already have a SaaS account with us, or complete your info. Type a configuration name, UAT configuration for example. Click Next. Copy your CRM organization service and paste it here. This info you can get from your CRM. Provide a service user name and password. The service user should have enough permissions to read and transfer the attachments from your CRM to your document storage system. We recommend System Administrator. Test your connection. If you typed the correct URL and credentials, you'll see this green success message. If that's not the case, test your organization service URL by typing it in your browser and log in to your CRM using that username and password. Click Next. Choose Azure File Storage from the Attachment Storage Types list. Click Next. Provide your Azure Storage account's name and key, test your connection, and then provide your Azure File Storage attachments, share name and folder name, and annotations, share name and folder name. Those values you can get from your Azure portal, as we can see here. Click Next. Encrypt your attachment using AES-256 encryption key and key salt for better security. You could as well compress your attachments for better storage utilization. These two options will be transparent to your end user. Click Next. You should see your activation token already shown. Now simply click Activate Token to activate the service and start storing your CRM attachments to your SharePoint or Azure storage. In case the token is not shown, simply get back to the email you received from us, copy it and paste it here. If you don't have a token, then click the Link to Shop button to purchase either a free trial or one of our plans. Now our service is configured and activated. Click Next. You can start extracting your CRM attachments right away by enabling this option. Then click Finish. Let's have a look on the other options available for you. From here you can start and stop the service. You can click here and edit the configuration, which gives you the same options we saw earlier while configuring the service. And you can reverse extracted files. This option will move the files back from your document storage to your CRM. To see the service in action, be sure to check our demo video. As always, thank you for watching.